How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to claim insurance on Pandabuy. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you guys found yourselves in a situation where you ordered something from Pandabuy, but you received the package damaged, or the shipment was delayed, or it's simply taking too long, and you'd like to appeal for an insurance claim, right? Maybe return it or whatnot, get your money back. So here's what you guys need to do to actually move forward with appealing for an insurance claim. But before that, let's first understand the fundamentals of Pandabuy's policies about compensation as well as insurance. So, compensation details. If your package is lost, damaged, delayed, seized by customs, or whatnot, and you have purchased the package insurance when submitting the waybill, Pandabuy will compensate you according to the actual shipping costs of the package plus the actual value of the product, and the compensation cap would be the insured amount. So if you guys experience any of this, like you get your package damaged, or the things I've said before, like it's lost, or you've been waiting for simply too long and you would want to get your money back, then you may be eligible for an insurance claim. So compensation standard. For the compensation standard of each route, please refer to the corresponding content in the green icon at the bottom of the route on the page of the submitting parcel. So basically, before you guys purchase an item on Pandabuy, or basically before you reach the checkout page, you want to make sure that the method of shipping that you choose has this green shield right here. Actually, let me zoom in real quick, show you guys what I mean. So this right here, this means that your order or package is insured. So if anything happens to it, Pandabuy is bound by their policy to actually give you an insurance claim. So how do you actually get to claiming the insurance or compensation or reimbursement protocol by Pandabuy or whatever you want to call it? So there are actually two ways to do this. You could either contact them through email by sending an appeal about your problem, or talk to them in live chat. So to do so, what you guys would want to do is visit Pandabuy's website, like so, and you want to scroll down until you see the section that says customer service. Now, once you guys are here, you want to click on contact us, and here you should have the option to talk to a live agent and tell them about your problem, and they'll basically issue the insurance claim for you. Or you could send them an email through here. So basically, these emails right here. So you can send them a screenshot of your order, as well as your problem, as well as how you want them to fix it. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.